Salamat kuya ha. Good morning guys. It's now Monday, December 16th, and kita nyo naman nag-order ako ulit ng breakfast meal sa Tightrope Cafe. I still ordered the same meal. That's the beef tapa or tapsilog. Nagustuhan ko siya, and maganda yung packaging nila, fast delivery, and pretty much it's the same meal that I ate yesterday. So come join me. I decided not to order a coffee sa Tightrope, but rather made my own coffee. Makikita nyo mamaya dun. And pretty much it's just a normal day for me. Later I will be working out and probably jog later this afternoon. So pretty much that's it. Just a simple day for me. Morning guys. Kain tayo ulit ng tapsilog or beef tapa meal. Sa Tightrope pa rin to. Sarap. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So it's now Thursday, December 19. It's almost Christmas time, and yeah, come join me again for my weekly vlog. Ngayon magpapa laundry ako. It's laundry day for us. So as you can see, a couple of bags earlier, I guess 4 or 5 bags. So hopefully mamaya makuha na, or tomorrow perhaps. So it's a sunny day in Cebu. So kung makita nyo, yun yung weather ngayon. Medyo mainit siya guys, but yeah, it's gonna be a long day for me. Marami akong ganap, payables, have to go to Sun Life, and mag-shopping din ng konti, and kakain ako sa O George Cafe later. Papakita ko yung menu, papakita ko yung order ko. So yeah, it's a normal day for me in Cebu, and I hope you are safe. I hope you are blessed today, and let's all be grateful and thankful for today. And Nike Dunks. Comfy day for me. And Uniqlo tote bag. Guys, update lang. Dito ako ngayon sa Cafe George or O George. Right now, they have 2 branches in Cebu. One in Banilad, where I am right now, situated. And they also have one in Ayala Main. It's a mall, inside the mall. So, I ordered the beef casserole. It's a beef stew with veggies, red sauce paired with rice. And we also ordered their pasta. So Cafe George, they have a variety of orders or cuisines or dishes. They have pastas, they have pastries, rice meals. They also have salads, sandwiches, and many more. So maganda yung lugar nila. Very cozy yung interior. A very nice place to visit if you're in Cebu. This is one of my go-to places here in Cebu. Minsan, if I'm driving around the city and then you want to have a snack or have lunch or probably dinner, minsan, ito yung nasa isip ko on the spot. So, yeah. Come join me. Papakita ko mamaya yung in-order namin. So, sakto lang yung order namin. I've also tried their other dishes here before. Papakita ko sa mga clip. I've tried their salad, their Mexican salad. Masarap din yan. I've tried their sandwiches, specifically the chicken Santa Fe. We've also tried the spinach dip. That's also one of their staples here in Cafe George. We've also tried some pastas before, the bolognese. And we've tried their pork meals or rice meal. We've tried the hickory ribs and the classic pork belly. Masarap din siya. And we've tried the carrot cake. Yun yung mga bestseller nila din dito when it comes to pastries. So far, if I can rate this over 0 to 10, 10 would be the highest, which is very positive. I would rate this as a 9 or 8 or 9. Ganun.
Lasagna?
Yeah. Let's try the beef casserole. Tikman muna natin yung sauce niya. Ito yung sauce niya. Ewan, nakikita niyo ba? So, yan. So, yung sauce niya, meron ng kasamang mga beef strips. I'm trying to find the words to describe this. It's very rich in savory flavor. Very comforting yung taste niya. And perfectly blend yung beefy goodness niya. Tikman naman natin yung beef. I'll just cut small slice kasi medyo malaki yung chunks niya. So, makikita nyo. Yan. Let's have a taste, guys. Okay. If I can describe it, siyempre beef to, binoil to. Yung cooking method, it's a slow cooking. Tender yung beef niya. It's like it's falling apart. And then creamy yung sauce. Blends well. Coating every bite. And then perfect talaga yung combination ng sauce niya. And if I can try to have a bite sa veggies niya, it's also very tender, perfectly cooked. And yeah, it's just goodness in a platter, perfect with rice. And I think I'm gonna enjoy this meal. You should try it, guys. So nakita niyo naman guys yung order ko. Binigyan ko yung quick overview ng beef casserole. So we decided to order additional carrot cake. Parang na-miss ko na kasi yung carrot cake nila dito. The best yung guys. So you should try it if you come here. Hi guys, just an update. Dito ako ngayon sa parking area, yung building ng Sun Life. So galing na ako doon. Maganda kasi mabilis yung transaction nila. Sa ground floor lang andun yung customer service and billing department nila. So if you wanna make a payment, pwede diretso doon. It's just gonna take about 10 minutes. So yung building nila malapit sa Ayala Mall, main, sa Cebu Business Park. Usually online yung bayad ko, pero for some reason it's not working. Error 6 lumalabas sa online banking. So yung payment hindi nag-go through. So that's why I decided to go to the branch. So tinawagan ko yung customer service ng credit card company ko. And yun na nga, may problema daw sa merchant nila. So I had to go to their main branch. So okay lang naman din, mabilis, libre yung parking, and then maraming slots, walang hassle, easy access, easy to find, easy transaction, mabilis lahat. Just about 10-15 minutes tapos na. Ngayon papunta na kami ng Ayala Mall to shop around, probably have coffee din. Let's see. Medyo busog pa kami, pero let's see how it goes. Update again guys. Nandito na tayo sa Ayala. Parking tayo ngayon. Medyo na-feel ko na ngayon yung Christmas rush. Puno yung parking nila oh. So tignan natin yung mga ganap dito. And I think magkakape kami. So yeah, I'll show you around. Get a few clips lang para makita nyo lang somehow yung ganap ngayon. It's December 19, Thursday. Hi guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Ayala, loob ng Ayala Mall. Maraming tao. So ngayon mag-feel ko na talaga yung Christmas rush. Maraming tao guys oh. Grabe guys, wala pang Christmas ha. Tingnan nyo naman yung Cebu. Pretty tit na. Sinulog na guys oh. Sinulog na. Yan yung Cebu. Sobrang advanced sa mga ganap. So galing ako kanina ng Uniqlo. May tinignan lang. May binili akong regalo para sa para sa kakilala ko, may bibigay kaming regalo. Si Kuya. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan niya. Lagi kasi yung nag-a-assist sa amin pag kumakain kami doon paminsan. So, mabait yun si Kuya. So, gusto ko sanang bigyan ng regalo lang. Just a simple gift. Magagamit niya sa party or kung lalakad ba siya, punta siya ng mall, simbahan, baka magkakape kami. We're still thinking about it. Haters, baka naman. Ano kuya? Merry Christmas. Ha? Timpera na, kanina ba? Para di mo. Salamat kuya. Hi guys, andito ako ngayon sa New Star. Galing kami ng Fat Gym kanina. We just had our lunch there. We were supposed to have lunch here in New Star, pero sobrang traffic. Nasa daan kami kanina mga lunchtime, and since malapit kami sa Fat Gym, we decided to have our lunch there. And the same thing, we had the Fat Gym chop. So makikita nyo yung mga clips. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog doon. I just had some few clips lang. So andito ako sa New Star. Nasa parking area ako ngayon. Tinext kasi ako ng SA ko kagabi. SA ko sa Dior na dumating na daw yung in-order kong perfume. So yung perfume na yun, laging sold out sa mga Dior boutique, and now it's available. So let's check it out. Anyway, that's good as sold na. Nag-commit na kasi ako doon, so just have to purchase it, buy it, and then yun. So mamaya paalam ako doon kung makakuha ako ng mga clips lang. Just tingnan ko lang yung mga display nila, just a few clips, and then yeah. And after that, probably we'll have coffee. May kapihan dito sa New Star. It's Abaca. So they're also one of the best coffee shops here in Cebu. Marami silang branch. Search nyo na lang online, makikita nyo pag nandito kayo sa Cebu. So that's it. Join me for another day of mine, just hanging around here in Cebu. Guys, dito na tayo sa Dior. Tingnan nyo naman. Very inspiring yung store nila. Yun, no? So, pasok muna ako. Kukunin ko yung perfume ko na in-order ko. Update ako mamaya. Check muna tayo guys. Just wearing a Jordan 1 Low Mocha. Keep it simple lang.
Kapit ang moment sir, mag-text na ka dahil ilog kayo sa patiti.
Ito po siguro ang sulit.
Sige.
124,000.
Yes sir.
Ito na guys oh.
Vlogger day ka sir.
Wala lang kasi maaraw tayo ba? Hi guys, update lang. Nandito ako ngayon sa Abaca here in New Star. So nakita nyo kanina yung update sa Dior. So nakuha ko na siya. Dito na. I've been waiting for this for I guess 2 months na. Out of stock kasi last time. 4 months rather. Sorry. So 4 months ko siya hinihintay and ngayon nandito na. So I'm excited to use it. Ang ganda ng scent niya kasi pag gamitin mo siya, spray mo sa damit mo, the longer it stays sa damit mo, the better yung quality ng scent niya. And then hindi masyadong overpowering yung smell niya. Sakto lang, cool lang. So, yun yung gusto ko. Yun yung scent na gusto ko. So yeah, I'm excited to use it. And that's all. I'm still enjoying my lemonade here. Hindi na ako nag-coffee. Kasi kanina morning nag-coffee ako while I'm having my breakfast. So nisipa ko lemonade na lang. And helpful din to sa my gout. So, vitamin C. Ang blue sir, white na. Pero sila muna sila no?
Oh, makakala na ito. Hindi ako.
Yung sales sir, ang influencer. Hindi na numusa ka? 50%? Yan ano? Mawa na siguro na. Sige, kung di na sa akong palit. Pag 50 na lang.
Update na lang naman sir. Update na lang sir.
Sige. Salamat tayo ha, balik ako. Update lang guys. Nadali ako guys. Naka-sale yung Kenzo Paris 30%. Yung Lucky Tiger shirts nila. From 10,900, if I remember correctly, nasa 7,350 na lang yung shirt nila. So I think first time nila mag-sale dito sa Cebu. Dito guys. So sinukat ko yung 3 colors nila. I narrowed down my options to the white one and blue and light gray. And mas nagustuhan ko yung light gray. Feeling ko mas bagay sa akin. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Comment down below. Like presentation. Hello guys, I'm now here in Xintiandi, still in New Star. It's a Chinese restaurant. They serve different variety of Chinese cuisine. So I've ordered the Singapore laksa limak. It's an Asian specialty dish nila, and we've added their signature steamed pork shrimp siomai. That's 4 pieces, and we've tried the charcoal roasted honey glazed pork char siu with jasmine rice. And papakita ko yung menu mamaya. Actually, makikita nyo na ngayon yung menu. Maganda yung ambience nila dito. Soft yung lighting and very nature feels. Makikita nyo yung video mamaya, yung clips. Maraming nature elements. And yeah, very cozy. Very homey yung feels niya. It's like you're just at home, you know, enjoying good food. And you know it's gonna be a good meal. So I'm excited to try their food. Makikita nyo mamaya yung mga clips ng in-order namin. Hindi marami, sakto lang kasi hindi naman masyadong gutom. We just wanna dine out here. It's dinner time kasi rush hour ngayon sa Cebu. So instead of, you know, spending your time in traffic, I'd rather stay here na lang and then go home later yung di na rush hour. So I'm pretty sure maraming gumagawa niyan. So yeah, I'm excited to try their food. Their laksa, this is the first time I ordered this. Yung siomai nila, natikpa ko na. Thumbs up yung siomai nila. And yung mga rice meals nila dito masarap din. So yeah, kain muna ako. Tikman natin yung Singapore laksa limak nila. Guys, try muna natin yung broth niya. Very rich yung flavor niya. Sarap. Nakaka-addict guys. Perfect na perfect to ngayon sa weather sa Cebu. Medyo rainy ngayon, December sa Cebu. So I suggest if it's rainy season, order this. It will touch your soul. Try naman natin yung noodles ng laksa. Kita nyo. Hindi siyang lasang instant. Perfectly cooked yung noodles. Ito ba yung matamis sa sauce nila? Ito. Chicken. And then try naman natin yung glazed pork char siu nila. This is the charcoal roasted honey. Very tender. Andun yung tamis. Andun yung roast. Malalasan nyo talaga. And this is perfect with rice talaga. Yung fat, equal yung layering niya. Fat and then the meat. Sarap. Hi guys, update lang, nakauwi na ako. So it's now close to 8 p.m. It was a rainy night on my way home. Pero thank God na safe ako nakauwi. And I hope you are safe too. I had a fun day, a very productive day, enjoyable day. Dami kong nakain. Nakita nyo naman. So bukas magja-jogging ako para naman makabawi. So probably I'm gonna do a run here. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. I hope you are blessed, you are safe, and wishing you all a wonderful holiday season. See you in the next one.